Aminah binti Muntasir nombor Matric 1085 from Group 6. Today we are presenting our project title Development and Evaluation of BILIMBI Averrhoa BILIMBI Gummy Candy, Assessing Sensory Evaluation, Texture Profile Analysis, Color Measurement and Antioxidant Value. This project was carried out under the supervision of Madam Siti Nurhazira binti Rahim. BILIMBI is a tropical fruit rich in a vitamin C, flavonoid and phenolic compounds, which provide strong antioxidant benefit. However, it is often underutilized and leads to post-harvest waste. Therefore, our study focused on transforming BILIMBI into a value-added product in the form of gummy candy that is attractive and provide natural antioxidant benefit. We evaluate in sensory properties, texture, color and antioxidant value to ensure product quality. For our problem statement, there are 4 main points. Firstly, BILIMBI is often waste during its fruiting season, leading to significant post-harvest loss. Second, commercial gummy candies generally have low nutritional value, high sugar content and artificial additive. Third, these synthetic ingredients may pose health concerns, especially among children who frequently consume gummy products. And lastly, although BILIMBI has nutritional and antioxidant benefit, it is still underutilized in food processing. Our project has 5 main objectives. To begin with, to formulate BILIMBI gummy candy as a value-added product to reduce post-harvest waste. In addition, to evaluate texture properties using texture profile analysis, focus on parameters such as hardness, elasticity, and stickiness. Furthermore, to determine antioxidant activity through total phenolic content. Moreover, to assess sensory attribute and overall consumer acceptance. Finally, to enhance the natural flavor and color using BILIMBI essence. Our methodology involves 3 main stages: sample preparation, physical and chemical analysis, and sensory evaluation. The analysis conduct were texture profile analysis, which is TPA for texture properties. In addition, color analysis using the Lovibon-titometer. Furthermore, total phenolic content, which is TPC for antioxidant capacity. And lastly, hedonic sensory test to evaluate consumer acceptance. These tests help us assess the product quality, texture, appearance, and nutritional value comprehensively. 4 formulations were prepared: 1 control and 3 BILIMBI-based gummies with different extract concentration. Formulation 1 is 16% BILIMBI extract, Formulation 2 is 14% BILIMBI extract, and Formulation 3 is 20% BILIMBI extract. The formulation balance between BILIMBI extract, corn syrup and gelatin was carefully adjusted to achieve the ideal texture, flavor and antioxidant properties.
My name is Muhammad Fidaus Betoimi, metric number F1104. For sensory analysis, 40 entry panelists from Polytechnic Tunsey Nasir participated. Its sample was recorded randomly and the seed attribute using the 9-point Hadley scale. The result were the statistically analyzed using the ANOVA to determine significant difference between the sample. It's a texture testing. The gummy sample was cut using small paste and the analysis using the 2mm cylindrical probe. The parameter measure the weight, hardness, cohesiveness, pigginess, and additionalness. Other 2 factors influencing mouthfeel and the consumer satisfaction. Color analysis was performed using the lovable thermometer standardized with distilled water. Its sample was measured for RYBN value. This helped determine for product brightness and the translucency, with the play and the important role in the consumer perception. To measure antioxidant activity, the total phenolic content was determined using the phenolic concocted method. A static gummy sample were reacted with the garlic acid standard and the measure at the 760 nm using the spectrometer. Results were expressed as a mg of a garlic acid equivalent per 100 gram of a gummy. For the sensory result, panelists react to the heavy, the best appearance and the color with the balanced translucency and the yellow tones. Sweetness was the high in the F3, with the control sample was the sourest. Elasticity saw not significant difference between the sample, meaning the gelatin level mostly controlled texture. Overall, F1 the high acceptability score is offered the best balance of sweetness, sourness and the color, making the most preferred gummy formulation. For the texture profile analysis result, Formulation 1 showed moderate hardness and a high cohesiveness, giving a soft, with the texture similar to the commercial gummy. Formulation 2 was the firmer, and the Formulation 3 was the hardness and the least elastic. Other samples showed not stiffness, Overall, Formation 1 had the best texture balance, mainly due to the right mix of a gelatin and the neutral pectin for the BILIMBI juice.
My name is Nurul Atina Nabila binti Ahmad Nizam. My metric number is F1081. For the results of colour analysis, it shows that BILIMBI gummy candy has an average colour value of 6.03 lovable units, dominated by yellow originates from natural pigments inside the BILIMBI with a slight blue tone. The low red component suggests that the gummy candy did not develop reddish tones, possibly because BILIMBI lacks of red pigments such as anthocyanins. Meanwhile, white values indicate a clear texture and natural look. Overall, the colour analysis indicates that the BILIMBI gummy candy has a natural yellowish appearance without has an addition of artificial colour, reflecting the properties of the Averrhoa BILIMBI extract used. Next is a result of total phenolic content. Adding Averrhoa BILIMBI extract increased the antioxidant capacity of the gummy compared to the control because it contains phenolic acid, flavonoids, tannins and vitamin C. F1 showed the highest antioxidant activity with a total phenolic content of 51.79 mg per milliliter, followed by F2 39.77 mg per milliliter and F3 29.75 mg per milliliter. This result showing that the BILIMBI extract retained its functional integrity even after incorporation into the gummy system. For impact of the study, number 1, in terms of health and consumer, it offers a healthier snack option that appeals to younger consumers because it has a presence of antioxidant. Number 2, product development and innovation. It introduced a new way to use BILIMBI fruit and expands its market in health-based confectionery. Number 3 is sustainability and waste reduction. It reduces post-harvest waste and promotes sustainable use of local BILIMBI resources. In conclusion, this study successfully developed a functional BILIMBI enriched gummy candy with great potential as a nutritious and sustainable snack option. Among all Formulation 1, which is 60% extract, achieved the best sensory acceptance, showing an appealing colour, pleasant flavour and desirable texture. The total phenolic content analysis confirmed that the BILIMBI extract retained high antioxidant activity even after processing, while texture and colour evaluations further supported the product's quality. Overall, the BILIMBI gummy products promotes healthy snacking habits and supports sustainability by utilizing an underused local fruit, making it an innovative and marketable functional confectionery.